So in the last tutorial that was done on an iPhone, we looked at how to sign into Gmail app using our school account. However, I ended by saying that that's not the end of things. We need to enable two-factor authentication. I do provide some information on what is two-factor authentication. Basically, it uses more than one method to ensure that it is you signing into your account. So if I was to sign in with the jdo@galen.edu.bz on a computer, and I type in my password, I am now prompted with the message notification saying that I need to enable the two-step verification to ensure better security. We have, let's see, on this case it says January 4th. Today is the 28th, so you can do the math on how long it does take you. I believe it's around a week. So we need to hit enroll. If we do this later and we forget, you run the possibility of locking yourself out. So we are going to hit enroll. And since we have signed in to our iPhone, we are able to use that device as a device prompt, meaning whenever you sign into your account, your iPhone will get a notification saying if it's you, and if you agree, then you simply click on yes, and it will allow you to continue. So we are going to use the Apple iPhone. Keep in mind, this is not the only method of enabling two-step factor authentication. There's varieties, and we'll touch bases on a couple of them. So I'm gonna use the device as a two-factor authentication device. Let's see it. We are able to use these numbers also. You can save your backup codes. It will allow you to access your account wherever you are. You can print them or download them. Now, the reason I skipped this was because sometimes if you have your number enabled with another Gmail account, Google has some more strict policies in place that it does not allow you to add your number to multiple accounts, or else we would all have accounts that we could use for, well, malicious activities. Let's see if this one works. This one worked, the number I have, so let us wait and see for me to get that text message from Google. Sometimes it does take a while, so bear with me in this video. I am still waiting on my end for a text message. I've had instances where this takes about 5 minutes. Note though, however, that if this had not worked, you would have received an error message on the screen saying that the number is not valid. I believe I created a post on this a while back. Let us see here. You would have gotten a message saying, oops, something went wrong. Please try again. That's the message that would have popped out if it would have not worked. I did receive the text message while waiting for that. So let's enter the code. It is 3G-381325. I hit next. You'll see signed in. Second step verification is my Google prompt. Backup option is my voice or text message. I am gonna turn it on. And we have two-step verification is on since December 28, 2023. We have a verified number. Bear in mind, I am going to remove this, otherwise I would be unable to use it in other methods, in other email accounts, sorry. So we do have two-factor authentication enabled with Google Prompts, which is my default. I have added a number, and we can also use an authenticator app, which is by far my favorite. I believe that authenticator apps will make things so much easier rather than waiting for Google to send you a text message or not having your device. Even if you lose a device, some authenticator apps do allow you to install desktop versions such as Authy, and then there's a variety of ways, but again, this is all up to you. So I will create another video showing how to do the authenticator app, but for now I can hit on my name to the top right corner and hit manage your Google account. I can also hit on Gmail there. This is just settings, you can go over them. If I hit my Gmail, we have our email, and you can see the notifications on the devices that have been added as two-factor authenticators. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.